Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here on the decibel meter the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, this value on the display then will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 108 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.